Yo, what's up? We're playing Build Rail today. It's kind of like 2D Fortnite, and it's like fun sometimes. Sometimes, most of the time, it's fun. It's always fun. It's always a good time to play. So let's see here. Yeah. You press Q to build, so you can build walls and you can jump over those walls. And you have different resources, and to get back, you just press Q again to get to your pickaxe, grab materials, and build again. Oh, there we go. Oh, I saw it in a building too. Nice. Oops. Okay, shotgun, that's pretty good. Okay. This game can sometimes be laggy, especially when you're recording. So it's not the easiest to play, especially when you have mouse lag. Like when your mouse doesn't go exactly where you move it actually with your hand immediately. It's annoying. That was weird. But how far away? Oh. Oh, I didn't spawn near a build. Oh, wait, never mind. Come on, have some. That's okay. Shield. Definitely gonna use that. Ooh, Desert Eagle. That's pretty good, I guess. Oh, guy over there. Tommy gun, way better. Musket? Oh yeah, I want musket. Even though it's gray, musket is easily the one of the best guns in the game. By far. Minis. I don't need those right now. Yeah. And I saw a guy up here. Coming here. I don't know where he went though. Oh yeah, you can also aim in this game for some reason. Uh-oh. Well. Oh. I'm gonna keep playing until we win a game. That's the ultimate goal. But since I'm literal dog trash at this game, that's gonna be a bit hard. Oh yeah, snowmobiles going. Did I just say snowmobiles? Snowballs going through the rocks. That makes sense. Whee! Okay, nice. Spawn right next to a building. Come on. I need some chests. That's what I need. Yeah, there's gonna be one in here. And it's not gonna have anything good in it. I know there's a guy up there, but I'm gonna loot up first. He's in there, so I'm gonna take the minis. I love how fast the minis take. He's gonna try and shoot me with the sniper. I'm gonna go for him. Why is he not shooting back? Yo. Oh, wait, I forgot. There are bots in this game that will carry pretty overpowered weapons. And that was one of them. So now, I have like a one-shot sniper. That's pretty cool. Forgot about that. Like, I'm pretty sure there's one with a mythic LMG that's really, really good. And there's the door. Nobody in here. Wow, I need to get more loot. I don't have an assault rifle or an SMG, and that's not good. Oh, I heard someone. That guy just shot an RPG at me. Uh-oh, not good. Oh, okay, just come up from above me. That's cool. There a rock under that? Those two trees, never mind. Okay, got that. Okay, where am I gonna spawn? Yo, right next to a musket. Let's go. Oh my god, dude, this is a freaking great spawn. I'm not gonna take the scar, because it's a green. Gonna do that. Oh, that's an RPG. That was an RPG. So I gotta be careful. Because I know... Oh, he's a builder. That's not good. Oh, he's healing? I got no mats. I gotta mine something. Okay, anybody in here? Okay, I got him out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah. I knew I was gonna die there. He had way better loot than me, and it was probably like full shield, full health. That was a better game, though. As you can see, the gray musket is already a pretty overpowered weapon, and if you get any tier above it, they just get more powerful. My favorite weapon in the game, too. Okay, right there, so I'm gonna go the opposite direction of him. It's a weapon. Okay, it's a weapon. Oh, he has an RPG. Okay, hold on. Yo. Hi. Yo, what's happening? Bro, really? It's gonna do that? Okay. Yep, okay. So, like, what's happening? I can't move up. Oh, wait, there we go, finally. Build a rail. Making a video. Oh. Yep. Okay. Died again. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the last. Yeah, that's the last round that we're done. See ya.